In this video, we want to look at a couple of quick definitions about exponents and review the fundamental principle before we go into rules of exponents. So let's just write down a couple of examples. Let's consider 3 squared x cubed, 5 to the negative 2, and y to the negative 3. Each one of these expressions has something raised to a power. The thing being raised to the power is called the base. So the bases in these cases are 3, x, 5, and y. So sometimes the base is a number, sometimes the base is a variable. The number of times it's being raised is called the exponent. So we have an exponent of 2, 3, negative 2, and negative 3. Now the big principle that we've been talking about is that the exponent is the number of factors of the base. And the trick is, if it's a positive value, you are multiplying by that number of factors. And if it's a negative value, you divide by that number of factors. So if we look at the first example, 3 squared is 3 times 3, or 9. If I look at the third example, 5 raised to the negative 2 power means that I'm going to divide by 5 twice. And if we take a number and divide by 5 twice, it's the same as dividing by 25 once or multiplying by 1/25. The tricky case was if you're neither positive or negative, you would be at 0. So if you have an exponent of 0, it means you don't divide or multiply, which is the same as multiplying by 1. If you multiply by 0 factors, means you multiply, you're neither multiplying or dividing. And so if I have something like 4 to the 0 power, multiplying by it would be the same as multiplying by 1. Since I'm neither multiplying by 4 or dividing by 4, be the same as multiplying by 1.